Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing both of my Ipsy Glam bags for the month of September of 2023 and October of 2023. As you can tell, I have been very absent in the month of September. I have had a lot going on. I am also going to show you what I got in my Boxycharms for September and October as well. So if you're into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before we get started, I was just looking at myself in the viewfinder and I'm like, I need some highlighter on my shoulder. So What's Up Beauty actually just released their Serengeti highlighters, and I'm going to be using this one. First off, look at this. How gorgeous. This is the outer packaging. Love it. They did send this to me, and I am so grateful and thankful. This is such a gorgeous highlighter. Look at this. Ooh, baby. I'm wearing it today. It's blinding. I'm just saying. And it's gorgeous. And I saw Teresa's Dead loves it too, so you know it's good if she says it's good. Anyways, let's go ahead and start out by unboxing October. I'm probably going to title this video October. And obviously, it's the month of October. You guys want to see October over September, so let's go ahead and unbox the October one. Okay, first things first, we have a palette here from Iconic London. I didn't do spoilers for October, so I actually have no idea what's coming in here other than the fact that I opened it and just kind of looked. So this is the Booming and Gleaming eyeshadow palette. Iconic London to me is like really good, but I feel like it's also super overpriced for what it is, especially because mostly we see them in like subscription boxes and stuff. But oh, this is actually a gorgeous palette. Let me turn it upside down so you don't see the mirror. Very pretty everyday eyeshadow palette. Absolutely stunning. And I will definitely try this out. So, very happy about this. Also, again, thank you, Ipsy, for being amazing and sending this to me. Love you guys so much. Next up, we got from Ole Henriksen. They've sent me PR one time and I loved it. I wish they'd send me more because I love Ole Henriksen, but this is the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. I am a sucker for cleansers. I love it so much. You guys probably already know I love cleansers. Is there a safety seal in here? Yeah. I'm not going to open it because I'm currently using a cleanser from, oh, what's it called? Milani. I'm using the Melt Away Makeup Balm and then some random cleanser sample or whatever. So I'm going to wait. And then I have here from Huda Beauty. This is an automatic lip liner, Lip Contour 2.0 in the shade Pinky Brown, which I feel like might match the lips I got going on right now. Pinky Brown is such a like universal, like we all know what a pinky brown is, like especially in the makeup world. It's like I would love a pinky brown, and it's like, okay, I know what you're meaning. I know exactly what that shade would look like. So I'm wondering if this is gonna look exactly how I'm picturing it to look. The last time I got a Huda lip liner in any subscription box was the, oh, what's that subscription called? I forget. You get 5 full-size products. It comes from Canada. I've reviewed it several times. I just forgot what it is, but it was so dry. This one, let's see. Oh, it's creamy, and yes, it's exactly the shade that I absolutely love. That's my shade right there. Can't wait to use it because lip liners are my jam and butter and bread and all the things. I don't know the saying, whatever. And then I got a bunch of brushes from Ace Beauty. They're orange. Perfect for Halloween because they're orange, so love that for me. Love to have backup brushes for sure, especially because I've been dabbling with the idea to like start like doing makeup on people because, you know, it's kind of fun and I like transforming people, you know. Last thing in here is from the brand Pomelo & Co., if I'm saying that correctly. This is a Vanilla Boost Ultra Repairing Hair Mask with coconut and almond oil. I will give this a try. Usually my hair does not you know, cooperate well with hair masks and stuff. So I will give that a go, and I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything in the Boxycharm for this month. Let's look at the bag for this month. And I see that we've changed the packaging finally to the ombre. And then here is our little booklet. It's Glamoween season. Yeah, okay. So, outside of the bag, I got a brush here, and this is from Half Caked. It is a blush brush. You can never have too many blush brushes, especially if you don't want to, like, you know, use the same blush brush over and over again with, like, different colors and stuff. But this is cute. It's definitely more of, like, a, what would you call this? Like, a more dense blush brush. So I feel like this would be great for a cream contour, not a cream contour, a cream blush. And here's the bag. I had, oh, those are bats. I didn't see the bag this month, so little bat thingy thing. I'm really out of tune when it comes to this. I've been like searching everything else except for, you know, Ipsy. I don't know. I've just been really busy. We have here a Rosa blush from this brand that I never can tell you what it is because of the way it's, oh, well, mine looks like it's been swatched already, but I'm sure that's just from the people who were packaging it with their gloves and like pressed it down and whatever. Usually that's what that is just the factory workers accidentally putting their finger in it. It should still be 100% fine. And then I have this mascara from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Lash Sculpt. When I pulled this out, I thought this was a lipstick. But I guess this is their deluxe sample size because it's pretty big, but it's not like full size, it looks like. So we have a mascara. And then last product is from Avant, the Collagen Big Words Age Radiance Activator Serum. So that's cool. Also, I apologize about my voice. I've been sick, so sorry. Let's go ahead and check out what's in this bag for September. I have no idea. First thing, we have Doll Paint Brown Gel Eyeliner from the brand Toy Factory. Okay. Then we have a high performance hair care product, Super Comb leave-in conditioner type thing. So there's that. Then from Origins, the Ginseng Energizing Gel Cream. And then from Shayna B. Miami, we have a lip gloss in Bestios. Pretty color. I'm not going to open them. And then we have from Beauty for Real, I'm assuming this is a liquid eyeshadow in Twilight. I don't see on the packaging what it says it is, but I'm almost positive this is a liquid eyeshadow. So that's everything that came in September's bag. Also, let me know what you guys got for September and what you guys got for October and all of that. So here's my September Boxycharm, even though it says Ipsy and it annoys me. We got some big products in here. We have from Origins, the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. I remember I wanted that, so I'm happy I have it. And then from Aceology, we have the Green Tea Mask, which I might try tonight. I've heard really good things about Aceology. And then we have a Tarte Waterproof Man-Eater Mascara, which I've had tons of these. I've just never had the waterproof. Sorry, I have 7 dogs that bark at everything. And then here I have Defiance Beauty Iconic. I don't know what this... Oh, Luminous Liquid Lipstick. Let's see what this shade looks like. Oh, this is actually super cute. I can't wait. I have pink press-on nails because of the fact that I'm going to be going through all my makeup and like organizing and like decluttering and organizing and decluttering and organizing. So I'm excited to give like a bunch of this stuff to my niece and stuff. But that's why I have the nails on. I'm going to be behind me doing a bunch of these like hands videos. Lastly, I have from Phase Zero Santorini Quad Eyeshadow Palette. When I think of Santorini, I think of a liquid lip from Ofra. But you can use code Connor for 20% off at ofra.com. Anyways, my gosh, I cannot open this with these nails. So here's the packaging, and this is what it looks like. Super basic, but super everybody friendly. And yeah, that is everything that I got in both October and September. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!